Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for watching wherever you are in the world. Right people, so today we've got a really satisfying watch. We're going to clean all the seats, wash and shampoo and get the wet back out. As you can see, there's a few stains here and there. We're going to get rid of all of them. Very satisfying watch, people. Make sure you watch till the end. So we're just going over all the seats with the hoover so it gets all the crumbs off, ready to wash and vac. This is our go-to product for washing the seats with, Brisk Extra by Autosmart. Really good product. You know, when you poured this in so many times, you don't really have to check the measurements because you know you're doing it bang on. But if you ever want to try one, Brisk Extra, worth a try. Now we're going to stick some water in, make the mix. This product's fruity berry scented, so it's a really nice smelly one. Gets in all the fabrics of the seats and leaves a really nice smell lingering around the car. Say hello to my little friend George. He's going to help us out clean the seats today. Just going to set him up. Nice and easy to set up. Really good bit of equipment. Finally nearly sorted, ready to go. We're struggling a little bit setting him up then. I think George was getting a bit camera shy. Right, so we're going to add the attachment. Look at him, he knows what's happening, making that eye contact. Time to get your seatbelt strapped in, people. It's showtime. So first of all, we're going to apply the Brisk all over the seat and let George start doing its magic. So it's a nice, easy bit of equipment to use. We've used a good few wash and vacs over our time, and to be honest, with this one so far, it's been doing us well. Really enjoy using it, nice and easy to use, and I can't forget about the results it gives off. Let us know in the comments what wash and vac you use at home, on your car. If you're a detailer, what do you use day to day? Let me know. Don't forget to drop a comment below where you're from. We've had loads of cool comments from loads of people all around the world. Canada, Brazil, Spain, Scotland, everywhere. Really cool to see that you're all tuning in. Thank you. And if you're not tuning in, make sure you are. Go give us a follow. Yeah, nice one everyone. So yeah, back to the video. Just make sure all these seats are deeply clean. And we're going to speed it up for you now. Yeah, so if you look closely, the George is doing its magic, sucking all the stains out. Seats are coming up really nice. Time to go again on the other seat. Got to make sure all seats are thoroughly clean so the customer's nice and happy. This question's for all my regular watchers and all my followers. If you like my content, let me know. Or if there's anything you'd like to see, drop a comment below with it and I'll do my best to make the content for you. Customer had a little spillage on this front seat, so take note of that little stain there and wait till the end and see if that stain's still there. I think you'll be pretty impressed with the end results. Don't forget to subscribe to the page, guys, if you like what you see. Last but not least, the passenger side. What all drivers love. Tag you messy, mate. That's a passenger rider in the comments below. I want to see all them messy passenger riders. You leave the mess all over your car and then have to get us boys in. Bit of a funny ending to this job. We got stopped by what we call in the UK a Karen, just complaining about us being in his car parking space. So I think it was a bucket that was covering a little spot of his car spot. I wish I got the whole thing on film, but it was an old dude and you got to be respectful with it. So we just let him have his moment, moved the bucket, apologised and we moved on. But yeah, I'll give you a little sneak peek of him. Right, so here's the end result. All stains gone out of all seats. As you can see, I told you to keep note of that front one. It's spotless now. These are the kind of results we love to see. Our customer was really, really happy. She was over the moon with it. So a bonus, happy customer, good video for you guys. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to comment below where you're from. I want to see all the countries where everyone's from. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Thank you for watching. Tune in for the next one. See you soon, guys.